Hi guys, welcome back. This is Kimmy from the Thursday Library. Currently, I'm on my phone because my laptop's giving me all types of problems today. So, my YouTube Live wasn't working at first because I think it needed to verify me and it needed 24 hours to do that. And now my Facebook Live on my laptop's not working, so we're on my phone now. So hopefully, just bear with me on everything. Hopefully I can adjust you guys. But you guys, do you notice where I am? You see books? Yes, I am back in the library. So I'm super excited to be back in here and getting everything organized. We're not quite open yet, but stay tuned and look out for for us to post stuff about when we're opening. We might do some curbside book pickups and stuff first because we can't really open our doors yet, but so today our project is DIY paper lantern. So I made one already and I'll kind of show you a little bit of it. It's kind of big, so yeah, I'll show you like another way to make it smaller. It's a square shape, obviously. If you want it smaller, you can always make it like a triangle shape. So here's the stuff you're gonna need. You're gonna need some popsicle sticks, for 16 of them to be exact. You're gonna need some wax paper or tracing paper. I don't have tracing paper, so wax paper is what I'm gonna use. I have some markers. You're gonna need some markers, but I have this big pack of them. Some scissors and some hot glue. I got this cordless one at the library, which is pretty cool. A lot easier to use. So first, hopefully I can adjust you guys down a little bit without falling. Sorry guys, I'm trying to use my phone and it's not working quite nice because my laptop does not want to work. Okay, so hopefully you guys can kind of see on here. I'll try my best. Sorry about that, let me move this so I'll bring you guys closer. So you're gonna take your popsicle sticks and we're gonna make squares like this. So you need 4 of these. So I'll show you how I did it. So I did like basically glue on. Put some glue on the bottom. And then we're gonna glue them again. I kind of have like a pattern going and I'll show you my exact pattern. But the top and the bottom one are kind of underneath the left and the right one. And I found that way to be effective. I think you could do it anyway, but I like mine to look the same. And also you can paint these too. So if you don't want them like raw or like that, you can always paint them whatever color you want. So like I said, I have like the 2 left and right ones are on top of the top and the bottom, and that's kind of how I did it as well. So once you have 4 of those, and I already have 2 kind of ready, I'll show you guys. You're gonna take a piece of wax paper, a pretty long one, so you can fit all these squares on them. So I have 2 glued down already, hot glued on here. So I'm gonna glue these 2 just to kind of show you guys as well. And I'm having them go the same like direction, but like I said, I don't think it really matters. So you're gonna put glue on the bottom 4 corners of the popsicle sticks. And you're gonna line it up with the other 2 that I have glued on here. So you're gonna line it up with that one and just stick it on nice and hard. Make sure your wax paper is nice and straight. And I'm gonna do the last one. So once you have all of these glued down, this is when you can start drawing stuff on them. So I'll show you my 4 corners on mine after I put this down. So I have these all straight in a line. And then let me actually show you how to cut it. So I have them all glued down now. And I'm just gonna turn it over and just cut all the extra wax paper off that I don't need. And I'm kind of just cutting close by the popsicle sticks because you won't see the inside because they'll be on the inside, so you won't really see it much. Let me cut it all the way down. Try to get like on the popsicle stick when you cut it, and then it gets a little harder on the glue. Just try your best, just go around it. You won't see it much when you are doing it. Hopefully you guys can hear me and everything. There's a little bit more noise in here than at my house. I had the window open because it's hot in here. Okay. And my last cut. Awesome. One more. Okay, so this is when you'll take it and I'm not going to draw on this one just because I'm not going to do that whole, you don't have to do all that, but this is the one I made. So I made like a little Minecraft character, and I do a little paw print, a baseball, and then you can also print out pictures, and then you can put them right behind there, you can see, and then you can just trace them with the markers as well. So I did that with this mandala thing. So if you want to do like a Pikachu or like a Pusheen or like a comic book character or anything like that, if you're really into it, you can put it. So you're gonna, once you have the printed picture, you kind of have to center it with this. So maybe taping down the picture on the table so it won't move with everything, because if you have just a picture underneath, it might move and you might miss some stuff and everything. So I'm not gonna draw on this one, but I just wanted to show you the ones I drew. So now it's all together, which is awesome, instead of just having individual ones. So I'm going to show you two different ways. So if you want to do like a smaller one, this is a really large lantern. So you can not have 4 things, and you can do 3, and you can make like a triangle shape, and it's a lot smaller than this big square. So you either can just do a triangle shape, or you can do the larger square shape. So this is, you see how it just like folds together. It might when you glue it, it might like cave in a little bit. Just adjust it, because it's just, you have to give it its shape because it's a little bit newer. So we take our glue gun, put some glue on this side to attach the last side. You could use regular glue, but it might take a while to dry. So I recommend hot glue, so it'll be a lot easier and faster. And then just glue the 2 corners together, and you have your paper lantern. So let's just talk about a little bit of safety here. I have this flameless tea light, which the flameless means it's battery powered. It's not a real tea light. I wouldn't recommend putting a real tea light in here. Fake tea lights, please. This was one I had from Halloween for what do you call them? Pumpkins. So use a fake one. Don't use a real one. It's just for safety, so we don't catch anything on fire, because this is paper and popsicle sticks. It's not like glass or anything, so you can't really see it much. It's not like that dark in here, but you put it in there, and then when it gets dark, you'll see all of like the different sides shining through and everything. So that is it, and there's your paper lantern. And like I said, you can make it smaller, like the triangle, because this is a pretty big, it's about the size of my hand. Exactly. It is a pretty big one. So if you want something a little bit smaller, definitely try the triangle shape as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry about dropping you earlier when I was trying to adjust my phone. But like I said, my laptop wasn't working for some reason and everything. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next Thursday for some rock painting. Okay, thank you guys, and have a good day. See you Thursday.